Hello, good morning students. Today is our first basic sketching class. Today I will explain you how to start sketching. Before drawing or before doing any figure, we should practice these basic steps daily for 5 minutes. At least for 5 minutes you have to practice these strokes. For sketching, basically you need first a drawing book, an HB pencil, a 2B pencil and 2H pencil and a eraser or a sharpener. Okay, there are 7 basic strokes or lines which we have to practice daily. Take an HB pencil and first of all we will practice a sleeping line. Sleeping line, it comes from left side to right side like this. This line you people have to practice 50 times from left to right. Okay, and then from right to left, sleeping line like this. At least daily for 5 minutes you should practice these strokes so that you can draw easily, freely. With the free hand you people can draw any figure. For that one you have to practice these things. Okay, from left to right and from right to left. Again, then standing line from top to bottom. Standing line. See, from top to bottom and from bottom to top. Okay, even big artists will practice daily these strokes. Okay, then comes right open curve like this. Right open curve. Okay, right open curve. Here left open curve. Here it comes left open curve. Each one you have to practice for 50 times. Then slanting line. Right slanting line from top to bottom. Right slanting line. Okay, right slanting line from bottom to top. Okay, here left slanting line from top to bottom and then left slanting line from bottom to top. This should be in straight line. Okay, each one you should practice for 50 minutes, 50 times. And here comes circle. This circle like this in anti-clockwise direction for 50 times you have to practice. For 50 times you have to practice this one. Okay, and then in clockwise direction this one also for 50 times you have to practice. Okay, like this. Okay, you understand this? Later, after practicing these strokes, now I will explain you about shading. How to shade. Why we will shade? Shading is done to represent the light ray, where the light ray is passed on an object. With the help of shading we can define, we can explain from where the light source is coming on the object, and the object represents the darker and lighter regions. Okay, this is a light source. Light source means from sun or from light this is a, for example, it is a ball. Okay, the sunlight is falling here. So a ball looks how it looks when the sunlight is fallen here. It will be in light color, in white or light color, and the other part will be in dark color. For shading we should take 2B pencil. Okay, see here, we should hold the pencil slantly, not straightly, slantly, and shade it. Here, see. Okay, why this side we are making dark? Because here the sunlight or any light source is falling, light rays are falling. It is represented the light color or white color, bright color, and this region will be in dark. Okay, okay, and then it is rubbed with a tissue paper. Here it should be, we should rub like this. It will be represented